Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Be Quiet Light Based Series PC case with panoramic design. So friend, Be Quiet has launched the Light Based series, a new line of PC cases featuring a panoramic design tailored for hardware enthusiasts who prefer visibility to their internal components. And the series include four models: the Light Based 900FX, Light Based 900DX, and Light Based 600LX and Light Based 600DX, and each case is equipped with a fully window front and side panel allowing for unbusted view of the system's interior, and the design support three orientation options: regular, inverted, and horizontal, facilitated by user-friendly inversion mechanism. And additionally, the case incorporate an ARGB lighting strip that encircle the chassis, providing customizable illumination without the use of superlative language. In the light-based series feature a versatile VGA holder adapter to all orientation settings, dual ARGB fan hub with total of 12 connectors, and built-in support for multiple storage devices, 3.5-inch or two 2.5-inch drive in the case for inch and two 2.5-inch drive in the case are designed with user accessible in mind, featuring easily removable and cleanable dust filter and motherboard tray compatible with wide range of backside connector design, including Asus BTF, MSI Project Zero, and Gigabyte Project Stealth. And the front I/O panel is equipped with USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type-C port, reset button, and ARGB control button, enhancing both functionally and easy to use. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.